If you have an iPhone, the good thing is when you purchase any app or any subscription, then you can easily share that app purchase or subscription with your family members. But how do you share any subscription or purchases with family members on iPhone or iPad? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to share any subscription or purchases with your family members on iPhone or iPad. In order to share your subscription or purchases with your family members, you have to first of all go to settings, and once you are in settings, you have to tap on your Apple ID here on the top, and after that you have to go to family. Here you can see family, and there are 3 members added here. So if you tap on that, you can see the details of all the family members here. And on the same page, you can also share your subscription and purchases with family members. But before that, you'll have to add members to the family group, and that can only be done with your organizer account. Since this Apple ID is not the organizer, so I'll show you on my another iPhone where I have organizer access. As you can see here on my another iPhone, there is the option to add members to the family group, which you can't see here on this iPhone because Apple ID logged in on this iPhone doesn't have organizer access, but on this I have organizer access. So first you have to be the organizer of the family group, and after that the first step is to tap on this icon and add members to the family group. And once the family members have been added, next let's see how to share any subscription or purchases with these family members. In order to share subscriptions with family members, you have to tap on subscriptions, and that will show you details of all the subscriptions currently available that can be shared. Here you can tap on manage subscriptions, and after that you may get the option to share your subscriptions with family. You can see under options there is the share with family option, and that toggle is turned on. So if this is turned on, your subscriptions can be shared with family members. If this is turned off, you won't be sharing any subscriptions with family members. And similarly, you may also decide to share the subscription of individual apps, like here in this case Final Cut Pro subscription is active, so I can tap on it, and then I can decide to share with family, or I can decide to turn off family sharing like this. So this is how you can share subscription with family members. But what if you want to share your purchases with family members? For that, you'll have to enable purchase sharing, which is here under subscriptions. So tap on purchase sharing, and there you'll get the details of all the family members that are sharing their purchases with the family group. You may tap on individual member and decide whether to share your purchases with family members or not. And when you toggle it on, the purchases will be shared with family members. So this is how you may turn on purchase sharing with family members and share any app subscription or purchases with family members on an iPhone or iPad. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to cancel free trials and subscriptions on an iPhone or iPad, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.